Hello everyone, this is Carlos Lopez de Almeida, founder of the PlusX Fund, coming at you on January the 10th, 2022 with my first YouTube short. Trying to see if I can make this work. Let's do a quick video. Let's take a look at our new weekly candle over here, just printed several hours ago. And on the weekly candle, we have printed here on the second row, the NVT has changed from red to white. Now that's a terrible indicator. This is very bad news for the short-term price action. What has happened before in history? Well, the network value transfer, which is the total Bitcoin market cap divided by the daily volume in dollars being transacted through the network, is a reflection of the health, basically, of the network, in a way, monetary velocity. Well, anytime it goes from red to white in history, you can see that that's very bad news for Bitcoin. It went from red to white over here on the week of May 3rd. And it by May 10th, we had a change to white that was visible. And that was 9 days warning before the giant May crash. And we actually had a initial warning here on 19th of April. So that's huge. Before that, we can see August 24th, August 31st, 2020, we went to white. And that was right during the week of a 22% dump. That was actually the least bad in history, the least bad example in history. We only dropped 22% before starting the massive bull run. However, every other time in history, when the NVT turns from red to white, it's pretty significantly bad. Before that, we had the coronavirus, 24th of February, another advance warning. NVT turned white before coronavirus. Huge warning. What's another one? Here on the 28th of October, turned white, and we had a 30+% drop there. And here, NVT turning from red to white, calling the top of this $14,000 pump back in 2019. When it turned white, what came next was just falling prices all the way to coronavirus. And you can keep going back in history, and what you'll see is that the NVT turning from red to white called every market cycle top in 2013 and 2017. So, this is not good news. And you can see that just today, after the NVT turned white, we have this crash to 39K. We went to 39,500 today. And we touched here the bull market support band line of doom. And I think we're going to crash more. I think that this isn't over. We're looking for a capitulation dump to a big bounce from the bottom. And what we have here isn't enough for that. This here is only a 7% drop, 6.3% here. That's not good enough. That's not historically commensurate with a big bottoming and bounce. Our big line in the sand is the hash rate line of doom. I think we'll easily touch that. That would be a 20% drop. And if we bounce from around here, that would still satisfy a dump for the NVT turning white. And respect the hash rate line here, and maybe 37,000 will hold. But yeah, this is really bad. I would suggest everyone stop trading. Everyone go back into dollars, into USD. That's what we're doing as a fund, and we're just sitting this out and waiting for a really clear bottoming pattern on the charts before going back into the market and trying to trade. So trade safe, everybody. Thanks. Take care.